Hi students, so welcome to the next session. In previous session we finished up to 61 questions. Next models all are based on mixed concepts. So question number 62. X greater than 0, y greater than 0, z greater than 0 are respectively second, third and fourth terms of a GP. Now x is a second term of GP means AR. GP is A, AR, AR square, AR cube like that. Y is a third term, that means AR square. Z is AR cube. If you assume A is a first term, R is a common ratio. The given delta like this, delta is det of x power k, x power k plus 1, x power k plus 2, y power k plus 1, y power k plus 2, z power k plus 1, z power k plus 2. This value given already in the form of r minus 1 whole square into 1 minus 1 by r square. Where r is the common ratio, then we need to find the k value. See all of you, in this first row I can take common x power k, second row y power k, third row z power k. After taking common what remaining 1, x power 1 is x only, x square, 1 y square, 1 z square is equal to r minus 1 whole square into 1 minus 1 by r square. Now here this complete value we can express clearly. How to write this one is rotation wise. Already we have given one formula, standard notation 1 1 1 ABC, a square, b square, c square. We given standard form. Then directly we can write x power k into y power k into z power k. This we can write x minus y into y minus z into z minus x. A minus b into b minus c into c minus a. We given already this form. R minus 1 whole square into 1 minus 1 by r square. If not remember, apply R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1, you will get these factors. Now here what is x value is given? AR. That's why AR whole power k. Y is AR square whole power k. Z is AR cube whole power k. X minus y, that is AR minus AR square, AR square minus AR cube, y minus z means z minus x is AR power 4 minus AR, so R cube only, z value minus AR is equal to what is given R minus 1 whole square into 1 minus 1 by R square. Now in this notation, now what you will take your values? See all of you. Now A power k, A power k, A power k. Total what? A power 3k. R power k, R power 2k, R power 3k. Total what will get? R power 6k. Next, in this we can take common AR, here AR square. Now by taking AR common, what will get? 1 minus R. Here AR square common, 1 minus R will get. Next, here what will take common? Only AR is common. If you take AR is common means what will get? R square minus 1 will get. Is equal to R minus 1 whole square into 1 minus 1 by R square. Now again here base are same, A power, what is there here? 1, here also 1, here also 1, total A cube. A cube plus A power 3k is A power 3k plus 3 will get. A power 3k plus 3. Coming to R values, here R, here power 2, R cube into R power 4 plus into what is there any other value you will see later. So R power 6k plus 4. Remaining what? 1 minus R into 1 minus R is 1 minus R whole square. These two product. Next in this, we need the factor in the form of 1 minus 1 by R square. From this take R square is common. If you take R square common, what will get? 1 minus 1 by R square. That is equal to R minus 1 whole square into 1 minus 1 by R square. As for these notations, now what you will take here? Now again R power is there, now what will take? A power 3k plus 3 Again base are same, add powers. 6k plus 6 into 1 minus r whole square. 1 minus 1 by r square is equal to r minus 1 whole square into 1 minus 1 by r square. Now to get the same term, if you take this power c 0, we can get the same RHS value. This value already given, delta value is r minus 1 whole square into 1 minus 1 by r square. If this power is 0, at what value of k, this will be satisfied equation. If you take k is minus 1, substitute k minus 1, this a power 0 will get r power 0, this value becomes notation wise, 1 1 will get, remaining will get exact notation. That's why at which value it will satisfy, k is equal to minus 1. How? If you take 3k plus 3 is 0, k will get minus 1. If you take 6k plus 6 also 0, you will get k is minus 1. That's why which option is correct? Option A is the correct one. Next, question number 63. In this, they given delta I is equal to 0, 9C4, 9C5, 10CR, 10C6, 10C7, 11C R plus 2, 11C8, 11C9, 12C R plus 4 is equal to 0, then the value of R is equal to, at what value of R this det value becomes 0, we need to find it. Now we have a formula, NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. Now for example, if I add C2 and C1, this is like NCR. Now here 1R is reduced, one value reduced. NCR 5 minus 1, 4 become. That's why I'll change C2, that is C2 plus C1. Now by adding C2 and C1, this will be applicable. What is the formula? I'll get N plus 1 CR for every value. So let off. First column no changes, 9C4, 10C6, 11C8. Now 9C5 plus 9C4, it becomes 9 plus 1, that is 10C5. Next 10C7 plus 10C6 will becomes 11C7. Next it will becomes 12C9 you will get. So here 10CR, 11CR plus 2, 12CR plus 4 is equal to 0. Now when determinant value becomes 0, if any two rows or two columns are identical, to get identity, you see in second and third column, n value is same for every term. Every term n is same. For what value of r if you take, it will be identical. If you take r is 5, check once. If you compare r is 5, here 5, 10C5 will get, here 5 plus 2, 7 will get, here 5 plus 4, 9 will get. That's why then C2 and C3 becomes identical. That's why if r equal to 5, C2 and C3 are identical. For identical, that value is 0 you will get. The condition will satisfy. That's why R we need to consider which one? 5. Which option is correct? Option C is the correct one. Next, question number 64. In a triangle ABC, small ABC are sides of opposite to angles A comma B comma C respectively. That means if you take a triangle ABC, opposite to A angle is small a, this is small b, this is small c. Then the value of that small b cos c, A, c cos b. Next, small c cos A, small b, A cos c, small a cos b, c, small b cos a. This value we need to find out. Now, for example, if I add C1 and C3, add C1 and C3, now what you will get? B cos C plus C cos B. Next, C cos A plus A cos C. Next, A cos B plus B cos A. Now you will get A, B, C. Now here C cos B, A cos C, B cos A. In properties of triangles, we have a formula that is the projection rules. Now A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B. B equal to C cos A plus A cos C. Small c equal to A cos B plus B cos A. These three formulas are called projection rules as per properties of triangles. Now this B cos C plus C cos B is nothing but small a, length of one side. Similarly, this is small b, this is small c. Now from that it will becomes det of A, B, C. The second column also A, B, C. Here C cos B, A cos C, B cos A. Now which columns are identical now? C1, C2 are identical. For identical columns or rows, the value of determinant is clearly 0. Now which option is correct? Clearly option C is the correct one. Next, question number 65. 65 they given det of small a, B minus C, C plus B, A plus C, B, C minus A minus B, B plus A, C is equal to 0, then equation AX square plus BX plus C equal to 0 has which type of roots they are asking? Real positive roots, real negative roots, imaginary roots, and D option is given at least one root positive they given. Now first we need to simplify this, we need to get the simplified value of this. Now for that I will multiply for first row with A. The complete row I will multiply with A. After multiplying with A, what you will get here? When you multiply, we need to divide 1 by A into what you will get here? A square, AB minus AC, AC plus AB. Now remaining is same, A plus C, B, C minus A minus B, B plus A, C is equal to 0. If you take 1 by A that side, it will become 0 only. Now I will change row 1 by using row 2 and row 3. How to make this one? I will use one operation, that is R1 plus B R2 plus C R3. By applying this, what you will get to common factor in row 1, you simplify first R1, what is there? A square, first element only I am telling. Now B into R2, B into A, BA plus BC. Next C multiply for this, what will you get? CA minus BC. Now which will be cancelled here? Any cancellation is possible? Now multiply, otherwise you one thing, if you take column wise what you will get? For example, not getting any common factor here, you are getting different value, it is cancelled. If you take here A common also, you are getting which one? C ones. A common means A plus B plus C we are getting common. You check for second term also similarly. R1 is AB minus AC, multiply B for this plus B square, C multiply for this, what will get? BC plus AC, which will be cancelled. AC gets cancelled, B common, what will get? A plus B plus C. That's why there is a common factor you are getting. In which one? We are getting in first one. That's why. Now same thing if you do in column operation, for example you taken like this, C1 plus BC2 plus C3. Now any other factor will get, you will C1s. Now what here? A square. Here what is B multiply? What will you get? AB square minus ABC. C multiply for this, AC square plus ABC. ABC gets cancelled. If you take from this, which is common? If you take A is common from this. Now if you take A is common, what will get here? A plus b square plus c square. If you take only that value, only if you are taking a b square, only because you will get a plus b plus c is a common factor, no issue in this. That's why now r1 plus br2 plus cr3, here a common you will get a plus b plus c, here b common you will get a plus b plus c, if you take c common you will get a plus b plus c. Now 1 by a will go that side. So here first row a into a plus b plus c, b into a plus b plus c, c into you will get a plus b plus c. Now here a plus c, b, c minus a minus b, b plus a, c is equal to 0. Now in this, which is common in first row, a plus b plus c is common into that of a, b, c, here a plus c, here b, c minus a, next here a minus b, b plus a, c is equal to 0. Now we can simplify easily by subtracting r2 minus r1 and r3 minus r1, because the sum of two terms becomes single term. That's why r2 tends to r2 minus r1, similarly r3 tends to r3 minus r1. Now from this what will get a plus b plus c into, now first row no changes, a plus c minus a, c will get b minus b 0, c minus a minus c means c cancel, will get minus a. Next r3 minus r1, a minus b minus a cancel, you get minus b, b plus a minus b you will get a, c minus c 0 is equal to 0. Now expand this, a plus b plus c into a into 0 minus a into a square, that is a plus a square, minus b into, by deleting a column and row, 0 minus b minus a is ab, plus c into only will get ca minus 0 is equal to 0. Now from this a plus b plus c into what remain here, a cube minus of minus plus ab square plus c square a is equal to 0. From this I can take a is common from this. If a common, what will get a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square equal to 0. If you take a that side, it becomes anything by 0, 0 only. What the required factor will get, a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square equal to 0. If sum of squares of values means never be 0, compulsory this is a square plus b square plus c square is not equal to 0. That's why compulsory which will be 0, a plus b plus c is equal to 0 is we got one factor. Now what is the equation is given already. The given equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now at what value of x you will get this factor exactly? That's why if you take x is equal to 1, if you take, you will get that factor. What? A into 1, b into 1 plus c. So you will get only one real root is there. That is which option is correct? At least only one real root. That's why which option is correct? Option D is the correct one. All are not real, that's only one real root, that is at least one real root, that is 1. Next, question number 66. The given delta 1 is equal to ap square 2ap1 aq square 2aq1 ar square 2ar1. This delta 1 value is given, delta 2 you will find out later. They given equation between delta 1 and delta 2. In delta 1, what is the common factor in the first column? A is the common, second column 2a is common. Total it will becomes 2a square. Here a common, here 2a, total 2a square will get p square q square r square, p q r 1 1 1. Now already I given a formula order wise, first 111 PQR, next to P square Q square R square. That's why I am interchanging C1 and C3. By interchanging any two rows, any two columns, sign changes. That's minus will get 111 PQR P square Q square R square. Now already just now we used in terms of X, Y, Z like that only. minus 2a square into, for this what is the factors we'll get? P minus q into q minus r into r minus p. This is clearly delta 1. This is standard notation, remember, it is useful. Next, delta 2 given. Delta 2 given what? A p q, a into p plus q and 1. Next, a q r, a into q plus r 1. Next, a r p into a into r plus p 1. Now we need to simplify this. In first column what is the common? A is common. Second column a only common. Take a common from first column and second column. This will becomes a square into det of what remaining? pq qr rp. Now here what remaining? p plus q, q plus r plus p 1 1 1. Now we will simplify this. How to simplify this value? Now for example, if you multiply r with this one, not required at all, general method only do. I'll do one operation here. What? R1 tends to, I'll do R1 minus R2 to make this element is 0. Similarly, I'll change R2 by using R3. R2 tends to R2 minus R3. Now in the form we will get the required factors also. R1 minus R2, PQ minus QR. Now Q is common, what remain you will get? P minus R will get. P plus Q minus R. Q cancel, P minus R will get. Here what will get? 0. Similarly R2 minus R3, QR minus RP. R is common, you will get Q minus P. Here also will get Q minus P 0. RP, R plus P 1. Now first row P minus R common, second row Q minus P is common. A square into P minus R into Q minus P into det of Q 1 0, R 1 0, RP R plus P 1. Now expand along C3 because more number of zeros are there. P minus R into Q minus P into, now sign plus minus plus, both are 0 only na, finally 1 into, you will get Q minus R. As for notation, a square. Now we got here, okay, factors check once. P minus Q is there, Q minus R is there, and R minus P is there, notation wise. But here reverse 2 or reverse is there. If you take minus is common, what you will get? Check once. The given options, different options are given. Now here R minus P value, okay. If you multiply, what you will get? See once. A, P minus Q, take minus common here. If I take minus common in this, what will you get? P minus Q. Next to Q minus R. And here if you take one more minus is common, what will you get? Notation C once. A complete value. One more minus if you take common, minus or minus becomes plus. And A square already there. Here one minus common, here one minus common, plus it will becomes plus into R minus P. This is which value? Delta 2 value. Now this delta 2 value substitute in delta 1. Now delta 2 value we got, in this 2 I am taking minus common, no? Minus or minus plus only. Delta 1 is equal to minus 2 into A square into P minus Q into Q minus R into R minus P. This value how much? Delta 2. Now take this side, delta 1 plus 2 delta 2 equal to 0. Now which option is correct? Option D is the correct one. Next. Question number 67. Now 67 they given delta 1 like this. Det of y power 5 into z power 6 into z cube minus y cube. Second element, x power 4 into z power 6 into x cube minus z cube into x power 4 into y power 5 into y cube minus x cube. Next here y square into z cube into y power 6 minus z power 6, x into z cube into z power 6 into x power 6, x into y square into x power 6 minus y power 6. Third row, y square into z cube minus y cube, x into z cube into x cube minus z cube. Next here, xy square into y cube minus x cube. This value given and delta 1 also given, delta 2, this is delta 1 ma, delta 2 given what, xy square z cube, x power 4 y power 5, given delta 2 value, that also take. Delta 2 is xy square z cube, x power 4 y power 5 z power 6, x power 7 y power 8 z power 9. Now you observe in delta 1 and delta 2, they are asking finally delta 1 into delta 2. Here the notation what here? Delta 1 is the cofactors of determinant of delta 2. For each element cofactor find out. For example, first element we need to require cofactor of this one. If you expand this, sign is plus for first element, deleting row and column, y power 5 into z power 9 minus y power 8 into z power 6. In this we can take common, y power 5 we can take common, z power 6 is common, maximum common. Next what will get here, z cube minus y cube. That's why delta 1 is the delta of cofactors of delta 2. Delta of cofactors of delta 2 is equal to adjoint of concept I can use here. Now what here? Delta 1 is the delta of the cofactors of determinant delta 1. Delta 1 alla delta 2 ma. Delta 2 cofactors is replaced in delta 1. Now this is equal to, you can write like adjoint of delta 2 we can take consideration. Delta of adjoint we have formula already. Now delta a whole power n minus 1. For this, what is order? Clearly 3. That's why we can write this one is delta 2, delta of delta 2 whole power n minus 1. N is what? Clearly 3. That's why here the det is not required because det 2 is already determinant only. So directly we can take delta 2 whole square will get. But what they are asking, both side multiply with the delta 2 ma, because they are asking delta 1 into delta 2. So delta 2 square into delta 2 is delta 2 whole cube. That's why delta 1 into delta 2 is delta 2 whole cube. Which option is correct? Option A is the correct one. Next, question number 68. Area of triangle whose vertices are a comma a square, b comma b square, c comma c square is 1/2 given, and similarly another vertices of triangle p comma p square, q comma q square, r comma r square is 4 units is given. Now as for this units, what is the area of triangle? 1/2 into delta of x1 by 1, that is a square 1, b square 1, c square 1 is equal to area how much given already? 1/2 is given. Now here this 1/2 gets cancelled. Now a b c, a square b square c square 1 that is equal to 1. Now if you interchange this all positions also, no problem. For example, if you are interchanging C1 by implies C3, next C2 by implies C3. First by interchanging C1 and C3, in first column what will get? 1 One interchange, 1 minus will come. 2 times changing means minus of minus plus you will get. Now after changing C1, C3, first column 1, third column ABC. Again C2, C3 interchanging means here ABC will get, here will get a square, b square, c square will get. That is equal to 1. Later use this condition. Next, They given next triangle P comma P square, Q comma Q square, R comma R square. For this same notation, but the given area is 4, P square 1, Q square 1, R square 1, that is equal to 4. Now take these two that side, it will becomes 8. Now here also P square 1, Q square 1, R square 1 is equal to 8. Now you change it for this here, first triangle like that only here, this we can express like this, 1, 1, 1, P, Q, R, P square, Q square, R square is equal to 8. This take it as 1, this take it as 2. Now they are asking which one, then the value of 1 plus AP whole square, 1 plus BP whole square, 1 plus CP whole square. Next, 1 plus AQ whole square, 1 plus BQ whole square, 1 plus CQ whole square. Next, 1 plus AR whole square, 1 plus BR whole square, 1 plus CR whole square. This one we need to find out value. They given numbers only, they are not given any other symbols. This can be expressed in the product of two determinants. The determinants are 1 2a a square, 1 2b b square, 1 2c c square. Because if we expand this, what will get? 1 a plus b whole square, 1 plus ap whole square plus 2 ap will get. To get 2, I am taking this ABC multiple is 2a into another determinant is 1 p square, 1 q square, 1 r square. These two product will give, check once this term will get or not. Determinant how to multiply, first row with first row only, you will get first element. 1 into 1, 1, okay. 2ap plus a square p square. What will get? A plus b whole square, that is 1 plus ap whole square will get. Similarly, first row with second row take. 1 into 1, 1 plus 2aq and a square q square. So determinant position is changed, value of determinant remains same only. Clear? If you apply transpose also for this, you get same notation. So a plus 1 plus aq whole square will get, because in determinants a det of a dash and det of a both are same. That's why if you take 2 common from these, 1 1 1 abc a square b square c square into 1 p square, 1 q square, 1 r square. Here the transpose if you apply, you will get same position, product will give same only. Now I am not applied transpose for this, but product will give the original determinant value only. Now from 1 and 2, this complete value how much is there? Clearly 1. Next, second value how much is there? 8. Now total how much you will get? 16. Which option is correct? Option D is the correct one. Again I am telling, if you apply transpose only, this product will give original value. But det of original and apply transpose also, value remains same only, no changes. Next, question number 69. If u equal to ax plus by plus cz, v equal to ay plus bz plus cx, w equal to, they given ax, but that is not ax, that is az, change all of in book, bx plus cy. They given u, v, w values, and they given then the value of det of a b c b c a c a b into det of x y z y zx zxy. This value we need to find in terms of u, v, w only. Now multiply this first row with first row. What will get here? ax plus by plus cz. Now first row with second row, ay plus bz plus cx. Next first row with third row, az plus bx plus cy. Next, second row with first row, bx plus cy plus az. Second row with second row, by plus cz plus ax. Second row with the third row, bz plus cx plus ay. Now third row with first row, third row with second row, third row with third row, cx plus ay plus bz, cy plus az plus bx. Next, cz plus ax plus by. Already we know these values. Ax plus by plus cz is called which one? U. Ay plus bz plus ax is v. Az plus bx plus y is w. Next, bx plus cy plus az. Bx plus cy plus az is w. Next, by plus cz plus ax, that is u. Next, bz plus cx plus ay is v. Next, cx plus ay plus bz is called v. cy plus az plus bx is w. Last one is ax plus by plus cz is called u. Now expand this directly, we can get answer. U into u square minus vw minus v into uw minus v square plus w into w square minus uv. Now from this multiply u cube minus uvw minus uvw minus of minus plus v cube plus w cube minus uvw. From this first positive values, u cube plus v cube plus w cube. How many times is there? This one 3 times. 3 times of uvw. Which option is correct? Option B is the correct one. Next, question number 70. Delta x equal to delta of x minus 2, x minus 1 whole square, x cube, x minus 1 x square, x plus 1 whole cube, x plus 1 whole square, x plus 2 whole cube. Then coefficient of x in delta x we need to find out. Now directly expanding length you will get. That's why I am doing operation here. R2 and R3 I am changing by using R1. R2 minus R1. Next R3 tends to R3 minus R1. The first row remains same only, x minus 2, x minus 1 whole square, x cube. Now here what will get? X minus 1 minus x plus 2. X cancel, minus 1 plus 2 will becomes plus 1. Here what will get? X square minus x minus 1 whole square. Here x plus 1 whole cube minus x cube. Here x minus x plus 2, that is x cancel, 2 will get. Next here x plus 1 whole square minus of x minus 1 whole square. Here x plus 2 whole cube minus x cube. Now we can simplify this again. Delta of x minus 2 into x minus 1 whole square, x cube 1. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. A plus b means you will get 2x minus 1. If you do a minus b means x minus of x minus 1. X cancel, get 1 only. Next, a cube minus b cube, what is the formula? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. As for that, a minus b means x plus 1 minus x. X cancel, you will get what remaining part? Remaining part you will get x plus 1 whole square, a square means plus ab. AB means x into x plus 1 plus b square means x square. Next, here 2 a square minus b square. a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square directly 4ab formula. So 4 into x into 1, that is 4x. Similarly, a cube minus b cube formula. Same concept. X plus 2 minus x, a minus b into a square means x plus 2 whole square plus ab means x into x plus 2 plus x square will get notation wise. Now where x cancel, 2 into x plus 2 whole square plus x into x plus 2 plus x square. Now we need to simplify this. For doing another method also lengthy only, you have to simplify. Now here x minus 2 into x minus 1 whole square, x cube 1 2x minus 1. Now if you simplify this, what you get is a plus b whole square formula. Now what you get here, x square plus 1 plus 2x plus x square plus x plus x square. Now we have 2 4x 2 into x square plus 4 plus 4x plus x square plus 2x plus x square. Now we need to simplify this again. Det of x minus 2 into x minus 1 whole square, x cube 1 2x minus 1, x square, how many x squares are there? 3x square. Next to 2x plus x, 3x and plus 1 is there. Next third row, 2 4x. Now x square x square x square, 3x square into 2 is 6x square. X terms how many are there? 4 plus 2 6, 6 2s are 12x. And constant is there only 4, 4 2s are 8. Now still you want means you can simplify. How to simplify is, make R3 is 0, this first element, by using R2 for easy purpose. R3 if you multiply with minus 2 into R2, plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled. Then you can expand my x minus 2 into x minus 1 whole square to x cube 1 2x minus 1 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Your value becomes 0. 4x minus 2x, 2 into 2x is 4x plus 2. You get only 2. Here 6x square plus 12x plus 8. This is R3. Minus 2 multiply for R2, that is minus 6x square minus 6x minus 2. These two will be gets cancelled. 12x minus 6x is 6x, 8 minus 2 is plus 6. Now we can expand along the C1. Along C1 you can expand. What will you get? X minus 2 into, what will you get here as x minus 2 into 2x minus 1 into 6x plus 6. Minus 2 multiply for this, minus 6x square minus 6x minus 2. That is a first element. Next here, minus 1 into, by deleting row and column, remaining elements what is there? X minus 1 whole square into 6x plus 6 minus 2x cube. This deleting row and column, this two product minus 2 into x cube. Last one 0 not required, we need to take 2x into 6x, 12x square plus 12x minus 6x minus 6 minus 6x square minus 6x minus 2. Here minus 1 into x minus 1 whole square, that is x square plus 1 minus 2x into 6x plus 6 minus 2x cube. Now still we need to simplify this value. X minus 2 into 12x square minus 6x square, that is only 6x square. Now here minus 6x, 12x will be cancelled. Minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8. Now here minus of, multiply this to 6 x cube plus 6x square plus 6x plus 6 minus 12x square because 2x into 6x minus 12x and minus 2x cube also there. Now any cancellation possible, simplify. Again multiply here, what will get? 6x cube minus 8x minus 12x square plus 16. Now 6x cube minus 2x cube, that is a total minus 4x cube. 6x square minus 12x square, that is minus 6x square, minus of minus plus 6x square. Next 6x minus 12x, that is minus 6x, minus of minus plus 6x. And last constant C1, only plus 6 is there, that's all. So plus into minus is minus 6. Now finally we will get the equation 6x cube minus 4x cube, that is 2x cube minus 12x square plus 6x square minus 6x square minus 8x plus 6x, that is minus 2x plus 16 minus 6, that is plus 10. They are asking which one coefficient of x. Now coefficient of x how much? Minus 2. So coefficient of x is minus 2. Which option is correct? Option B is the correct one. Next, question number 71. The system of homogeneous equations tx plus t plus 1 into y, t minus 1 into z equal to 0. Second one, t plus 1 into x plus ty, t plus 2 into z equal to 0. Third equation, t minus 1 into x, t plus 2 into y plus tz equal to 0 has a non-trivial solution. So non-trivial means delta is 0. We need to find exactly how many real values of t we need to find out. How many solutions possible? Now clearly we know delta is equal to 0. Det of t, t plus 1, t minus 1, t plus 1, t plus 2, t minus 1, t plus 2, t is equal to 0. Directly don't expand, we can simplify this. How to simplify? Just subtracting R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1. The value will reduce. For easy purpose, R3 tends to R3 minus R1. Now what will you get? T plus 1, t minus 1. Now t plus 1 minus t, you will get 1. T minus of t plus 1, t cancel, get minus 1. T plus 2 minus of t minus 1, t cancel, 2 plus 1 is 3. Next, t minus 1 minus t cancel, get minus 1. T plus 2 minus t minus 1, 2 minus 1 will get 1, t will be cancelled. T minus of t minus 1, t cancel, get 1 is equal to 0. Now we can expand, you will get easily the required t value. T into minus 1 minus 3 minus of t plus 1 into, deleting column and row, 1 into 1 1 minus 1 into 3 minus 3 minus of minus plus 3. So last value t minus 1 into 1 1 minus 1 into minus 1 1 only. This gets cancelled, this value becomes 0. Now next minus 4t is also minus 4 into t plus 1 plus 0 equal to 0. Minus 4t minus 4t minus 4 equal to 0. Minus 8t equal to minus 4, take right side, it becomes plus 4. T is equal to 4 by minus 8. T value how much? Clearly minus 1 by 2 here. Options given exactly 3 real values, 2 real values, but only it is only 1 real value we got. Option C is the correct one. Next, last question in this chapter. Question number 72. ABC are angles of triangle, then system of equations sin A into x plus y plus z equal to cos A. Second, x plus sin B into y plus z equal to cos B. X plus y plus sin C into z equal to cos C. So 1 minus cos C they given differently. Has which type of solutions? They given no solution, unique solution, infinitely many solutions, finite many solutions. Okay, for everything we need to find first delta. Based on delta only we can check no solution or one solution or infinitely many solutions. That means how to take coefficients of x, y, z. Sin A 1 1, 1 sin B 1, 1 1 sin C. Okay, directly expand what you will get here value. If you expand, or you can apply the operations also, no problem. Now here expand what you will get, delta equal to sin A into sin B sin C minus 1, minus 1 into sin C, 1 into 1 1, last plus 1 into 1 1 minus sin B. From this delta equal to, we can write sin A into sin B into sin C minus sin A, minus 1 multiply here, will get becomes 1 minus sin C, it becomes 1 minus sin B as a values wise. Now here delta sin A sin B, 1 plus 1 clearly 2, plus sin A sin B sin C minus sin A minus sin B minus sin C as a values wise. Now in this condition ABC are angles of a triangle is given, means sum of angles is clearly ABC are angles of triangle. It means we know clearly A plus B plus C clearly pi. Sum of angles is 180. Now if you take three angles in sum of angles is 180. Now one value, for example, if you consider sin A, sin B, both are positive, greater than 0 means when it is possible if A and B are acute angles, then these both are greater than 0 means compulsory next angle what will get? Sin C is really less than or equal to 1 only. It's not exceeding 1. So maximum value will get 1 only. For what type of values? Now why I am taking like this, sin A, sin B is positive, you can take another two angles also, not only A and B. If two angles, if you take acute, third angle also compulsory, acute angle only. For example, if you take A is 60, B is for example 30 degrees. See what will get here, clearly 90. For this combination clearly delta, if you substitute in that delta value, it's clearly you will get not equal to 0, it never gives 0, that's why delta clearly it is not equal to 0. Delta not equal to 0 means system is consistent and has a unique solution. That's why system is consistent and has unique solution. Now that's why which option is correct? Option B is the correct one. Now exercise all questions we finished, determinants also. For matrices and determinants and relations, for these three chapters competitive finished. Anyone still is not finished the notes, you need to start and complete competitive also separate notes, relations, matrices and determinants, and we need to solve previous year questions. Is given for every chapter, every question solve and write in same notes only.